How to make traditional old school attendance in Microsoft Word. I already made a one in my Persian language, but you can get one and you can learn one to make your own in English or in any language you want it. So let's start making the attendance sheet that you can see right now. It's very simple. It has numbering. So it's very simple. It has numbering in here. And then it has the names and father name of the student, and then the days of the school or the students that they are present, and they will be present in the school. Okay, so it's very simple. All right, I hope you can do that as well right now, because we already made a great talent, a great skill out of these, and I hope you can make it right now. So let's make our own. First thing first, make this as a landscape. I'm gonna go layout, Mermentation landscape. Once you do that, we have narrow margin to make it even nicer. So we're gonna do that. So it's called, there's one, two, three. So we have three, and then we have a lot of things to count. Okay, we have 31 of that. So 30, 1, 32, 33, 35. 35 row column. So we should create that. So I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go to insert table 35. And first our number, and this is name, father name, right? So it's very easy. And then we have to merge them. We have to merge them. We're gonna go and merge them each. And again, merge them again. Merge them again. Okay, I already merged them and moving them to the center. And right now, so we have only two things, okay? One, two, and numbering. So we're gonna make it that numbering. So let's see. And we're gonna type numbering as well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we doing it right? Yes, we're doing it right. So we're gonna make that in here possible as well. Okay. We're gonna be finished. We're gonna finish it right now. So 30. So two extra things. How you can delete them. So you can click in here and you can delete cells and hit enter. So there you go. So right now we made deletion, and that's fantastic, okay? And right now we should be able to make the Saturday, like Saturday. Now there should be a little bit tricky in here, because if you understand to make it even like this, so it's gonna be very good. So we're gonna make that happen here, and we're gonna click in here, and we're gonna text direct it like this and moving it to the center. Okay, I hope you understand that. So it says Sunday, Saturday, and then it says Monday, and then Tuesday, and then we have Wednesday. Okay. So we're gonna make it Thursday. So the Friday students are not in here available. So we're gonna type free. Okay, for some country for most countries, Friday is not. So we're gonna paste the whole of that So there you go, we made it. And make them really smaller. Like 10 is okay. And then make them also text directed like this. And right now, whenever you hit tab, and you should be able to see that how many students are in here. But you can see one problem, and that is this problem. That the name is really very, very less. You cannot type Ali, for example. You can type Ali, Ahmed, and then it drops out. That's fine, okay? But you can say Ali Tahir. So it says, so there's a big problem. How you can do that? Okay, you can make this bigger using this time. And then once you do that, so you're gonna make also the paper to A4. So there you go. So right now it's gonna fit. So this is how you can make table of attendance in Microsoft Word. I know this is not a super very stylish one that we made, but you understood the concept and how we can make really anything in here possible.